All right, well, welcome once again to my channel. This is Efolo Joseph, your anchor man at the free genuine airdrops. I will be showing you in this video how to sell your dog's coin on Binance. If you use Binance in receiving your airdrop, I'll show you how you are going to sell it without this stress. All right, before going ahead with this video, I want you to quickly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be receiving an update each time we publish new videos. All right, if you have done that, thank you so very much. Let's progress to our business for the day. Now, let's quickly look at this. We are on Binance homepage. Binance homepage, you're going to be seeing these favorites. You see hot, you see gainers, you see losers, and you see new listing. But if you look around now, let's just click on this view more. We are not going to be seeing. You are not seeing anything like. You are not seeing anything like dogs for now. So what you're going to do is just quickly click here, new list. Sorry. So let's. I don't know why this update just keep interrupting. So let's click on this new listing and you see something there. Okay, this is exactly what I expect you to see in your own area. Can you see that countdown to dogs? Dogs is going to start trading in about 6 minutes. Just click on that link. Okay, now after clicking on that link, you have been brought to the trading interface if you are on sports trading. So, but here you're going to be seeing sell here, the green button, and buy the green button and sell the red button. Okay, so you will click on sell. If you click on sell, you now see something like this. Okay, now assuming that it has started trading, you will see the price of the coin listed somewhere here. Sorry, you will see it showing somewhere here, and maybe as you open here, you also see the price. But always be sure that the one you have here is the same thing with the one you have here. Otherwise, you click here so that the price will update for you to sell. Okay, now that we are here, we will look at how much of the dogs we have. Okay, if you look at this, I have 18,901 dogs. And if I click the price, like I said, the price will be showing here. Here will be used to determine the amount I'm going to sell. In this case, I can put it manually. Just click into the box and type in the figure you want to sell. Or you can use this particular thing to decide how much you want to sell. That is by percentage, for instance. If you click this place, it means you are selling about 25% of your coin. If you click here, it means you are selling 50%. If you click here, you are selling 75%. If you click this place, it means you are selling 100% of your coin. So you decide which of them you want to use, whether by percentage, 25, 50, 75, or 100, or you are using the manual by typing in exactly the quantity you want to sell. Once you have typed in that place, the amount or the price value will show in this place because you are selling it against the USDT. Okay, you are going to sell it to get USDT. So after you have done that, you click on sell. Okay, you click on this sell button and your order will reflect in this place. If it is allotted to you immediately, you may not begin to see this. Everything will still be showing zero because it will just fill up immediately. But if it is not, you'll be seeing one there showing that you have an outstanding trade that has not been fully executed. All right. So that is it on how you can sell your dogs in on Binance. So if you have used Binance, follow these steps and it will be easier for you to sell. Thank you. I see you again in a next video.